What's the meaning of adopted? Adopted. 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 The term adopted refers to a legal process through which a person or couple becomes the parent of a child who is not biologically related to them. Adoption provides the child with a permanent and stable home, along with all the legal rights and responsibilities of a biological child. The decision to adopt can bring immense joy to both the adoptive parents and the child. However, adoption is also a complex process that requires careful consideration and preparation, as it involves the well-being and future of a child who has experienced significant trauma and loss.